It's a mistake to think of me as just a sweet. I provide instant energy and also help cleanse the liver.
This is the story of a journey, where the sugarcane crop growing in the fields emerges from its original form and gains a new identity. Each stalk of sugarcane is not only sugar, but also another secret hidden within it. When sugarcane is put into machines, the juice is extracted from it. But what remains after this process is called bagasse. This is the fibrous waste that is often ignored. But here, this waste is not wasted. It is collected, loaded into trucks, and sent to a new destination. It is a journey of change. After arriving at the factory, the bagasse is dried. It is important to reduce the moisture so that it can be converted into a strong and useful material. The next step is to convert it into fine fibers. Machines break down the waste into a uniform shape so that further processing is possible. Now special chemicals and resins are added to these fibers. This is the stage where the weak material moves towards strength. Now these fibers are laid down layer by layer. These layers will later take the form of a strong board. Through intense heat and pressure, these layers are bonded together. This is the moment where the bagasse is transformed into chipboard. Then they are smoothed so that the surface is smooth and uniform. This is the step that highlights the quality. Now the finished boards are cut into different sizes. Accuracy in every cut and uniformity in every sheet is essential. Each board is tested. Strength, thickness, and quality. Everything is ensured. And so a waste turns into a useful object. It's not just a product, but a new life, where every leftover writes a new story. Waste is not the end. It's a beginning.